Good afternoon, everyone. So, oh my God, it's time to go back to work. So today is Friday 1st. So, first day of February. So, I'm getting ready and time to go back to work, guys. Oh my God, I'm getting ready. I'm just putting on my shoes and I'm leaving pretty soon. Oh my goodness, I don't want to go to work. So every time I'm gonna go back to work, I'm kind of like lazy and I don't want to go back to work. So I get the 2 days in a row off. I'm off Wednesday and Thursday, and I do work Friday to Tuesday. So yeah, it's gonna be a long weekend again, guys, for me. Time to work for 5 days straight. Can't wait for my 2 days in a row day off already. Dan he already leave. He work before he work overnight. So now our schedule is the same already. So hindi na ako nag-iisa sa gabi kasi we're both the same schedule na, so which is yes. It's a big yes. We're both the same, have a plenty of time together. So I think I'm gonna go ahead. I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Have a nice weekend, everyone. So guys, alis na ako. Saan na ba yung jacket ko? It's time to go back to work, guys. And ayan lang, khaki pants. Tsaka mag-jacket lang ako. Alam nyo guys, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. I'm hot already inside. I'm pretty sure outside it's a nice weather too. So, yay! Tomorrow is... Sana yung ano ng jacket ko? Hala. Ano ba yan? Nahanap ko yung ano ng jacket ko na wala. Yung tawag dito. Itong ano, tanggalin ko na lang kaya hindi ko na siya. Ayusin ko na lang. Saan na yun? Nawala na. Tinanggal ko na guys. Ayusin ko na lang mamaya. Lagyan ko siya ng yung pin. Alam niyo ba yun guys? Lalagyan mo siya ng pin dito para maipasok mo ulit siya sa buong ano, edges ng hoodie jacket mo. Kaya late na ako. Late na. Maglalakad pa ako, mga maybe it's 12 minutes walk going to work. So, yay! It's time to go back to work again. Open na yun siguro. Kailangan pa ng another extra jacket kasi ito yung sinusuot ko palaging ano, jacket sa work. Kasi sa loob, medyo still cold outside the store, so okay na yan. Kaya ito lang yung sinusuot ko pa ulit-ulit na para i-double sa ano ko para hindi ako ginawin. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Ayan guys, 1 minute na lang. I'll be leaving. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, parang hindi ko na ata. I think I don't need a double jacket, pero it's nice outside. Mainit siya guys, ayan o. So yeah, I'm going to work. I don't want to go to work. But yeah, mainit siya ngayon. Oh, it's nice, not too bad. So I think I don't need a jacket. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to work, guys. Mainit siya guys, warm. Yeah, I like that weather. So, I think I see you later guys. Bye! Good evening everyone. So, kauwi ko lang guys. It is 12:04 midnight. So, yung mata ko ano na. Pagod na. But yeah, I'm home. And Dan is cooking pizza downstairs, so we're gonna eat pizza before going to bed. So while eating pizza, probably we're gonna watch a movie again till maybe 3 o'clock a.m. and then tomorrow wake up late. But anyways, yeah, tired. It's a busy day.
Ooh wee.
Hi, honey.
Oh, Wendy picked up her monies.
You have to get used to it. Oh, look at her. Look at his eyes. Oh, you look like. But anyways, guys, see you later. Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe.
Yes, honey. Sit.
I'm starting to cry. It's bright.
He's not get too used to it with the ring light. But bye, guys. Hello everyone, today is Saturday, so nasa bathroom ako, medyo maingay, but it's time to go to work again. Good luck. Normally Saturday and Sunday in the store they're busy because lots of people shopping, so good luck. And I think, yeah, that's it for today's, guys, and see you later, I guess. Good morning, guys. I just wake up. So today is Sunday and it is 10:38 in the morning. So Sunday. So happy weekend, everyone. If you heard another weird noise, I'm in the bathroom. That is the bathroom fan, but that is the bathroom fan. So yay. So yeah. Today is Sunday. Inulit ko na naman. sinabi ko na pala today is Sunday. So it's gonna be hopefully yesterday. It's busy at the store. There's a lot of shopping yesterday because today they have games for Bronco games, I think. So hopefully today is Sunday. Hopefully the store is not too busy because lots of people shopping already yesterday. So yeah. So I think that's it, guys. Tingnan mo yung buhok ko. Oh wow. Yan. Ganyan itsura ko, guys, pag bagong gising. So maliligo lang ako, guys, and pabalikan ko kayo. So guys, tapos na ako maligo. Habang naliligo ako, kaloko talaga itong asawa ko. Dinalhan ako sa taas ng coffee. He's so sweet. So, yeah. Habang dinalhan ba naman ako ng coffee. Alam niyo ba, guys, itong ano na to, na character na to? Yung sa Harry Potter to, kung nanood kayo ng Harry Potter, yung snake, si Slytherin, yan siya. Yan, same sa likod. Ano siya, double side siya, may print ng Slytherin from Harry Potter character. So, ayun, dinalhan niya ako ng coffee sa taas. Ayusin ko lang yung buhok ko, guys, kasi naku, struggle is real pag nag-supply ng buhok. Kasi it's tangly, very tangly. So, guys, ipakita ko sa inyo. Ano pa tawag dito? Pakita ko pa sa inyo. So, yung hindi pa ako yung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, yung ano ko, bottom teeth ko talaga, wala na akong ipin sa loob, pero yung sa harap, kumpleto pa siya. Ito, kumpleto pa siya. Tapos yung sa taas, kumpleto pa yung sa loob, yung wisdom, saka yung sumunod sa wisdom, kumpleto pa siya. Tapos meron na akong isang, tawag dito, implant. Dito, yung sumunod sa bungal. Bungal kasi ako dito sa top ng teeth ko. Merong implant na isa. Tapos meron akong 5 fake teeth. Ano tawag dito sa atin, postizo ba yung tawag sa atin? Tapos meron pa, kumpleto pa yung sa taas kong ngipin, yung wisdom, tsaka yung next to wisdom. So kumpleto pa yung 4 kong ngipin sa taas. Tapos ang ginawa ng dentist, sabi niya tanggalin ko na lang daw kasi wala naman daw yun makakatulong sa pag-chew kasi nga wala na ako ditong ipin sa baba, sa loob, para balance ba yung pag-ano ko, chew ko, kasi every time I chew, ang tawag dito, every time I chew na tumatama yung ipin ko sa gums ko sa baba kasi wala na akong ipin. So tinanggal na ni Doc yung 4 na ipin ko sa taas. Kaya wala na akong ipin dyan sa taas. Tapos, ipakita ko na nga sa inyo. That's gonna be horrible. So, guys, tip, you have to take care of your teeth because it's hard. That's really important while we're eating, chewing stuff, food, and everything. Oh, excuse me. May ubo pa ko. So, ayan guys. Bungiin na ako dyan guys. Oh. Yan yung implant. Ano na yan? Implant na yan. Have to take care of my teeth because it's expensive. Tapos, anong tawag dito? Anong nangyari sa camera ko? Nag-flash siya. Oh my god. So, nirecommend dentist na alternate ko yung toothpaste ko. Sensodyne Pro Enamel. Ito. Yan guys. Tsaka, ina-alternate ko siya kasi para daw sa gums ko itong Sensodyne. Yan. Dalawa yung toothpaste na ginagamit ko. Ina-alternate ko siya. Tapos, fixing teeth here in America is expensive. I paid for my root canal $1,500 for my root canal right here. And then for my fake teeth, ano tawag sa Pilipinas, postizo, for my 5 fake teeth, I paid $1,500 for my fake teeth. So this root canal, I think 1,200, something like that, close to 1,500. But yeah, it's expensive. Also, let me grab it, guys, and I'll show you my fake teeth. So guys, ito yung malinis na to guys ha. So ito yung sa tawag dito. Oh, takot ako baka mahulog. Ito guys yung sa taas. Tapos iyan yung sa taas. And then, ito naman yung ayan naman yung sa baba. So, yan guys, yung 5 fake teeth ko. Madali lang naman siyang ikabit. Tsaka, sa una, parang maninibago ka. Kasi, hindi ka pasanay ng, tawag dito, itong postizo. Pero, pag sa kinatagalan na, nasasanay ka na, parang natural teeth na lang naman. Kaya meron ako nito kasi wala na nga akong teeth sa both na taas tsaka sa baba, para this one help me chew the food better because it's hard to chew if you don't have teeth. I always bite my tongue and my gums, so it's hurt. So that one, it's helped me a lot to chew food. So yeah, I don't take care of my teeth before, so I just realize now. So another tips guys, after you eat, that's the dentist always said that after you eat, floss all the time, so that even you brush your teeth. I noticed that even after you brush your teeth, you still have leftover food, a little bit pieces of food in all over your teeth. So I have to floss all the time every time I eat. So now I have to take care of my teeth. Taking care of your teeth is expensive. So meron din ako dito, ang tawag dito, yung water pick, yung parang may hose siya, yung ipipick yung leftover na food sa, it's a good stuff though. They call it water pick. And ito yung ginagamit kong toothbrush, yung electric. Kasi ito rin yung recommend ng dentist na gamitin. Anyways, noon pa gamit na talaga namin na toothbrush itong electric kasi it brush better than what do you call that? This kind of toothbrush. Ito pala yung ginagamit kong toothbrush panlinis ng ng postizo. But yeah, anong oras na ba? 11:00 na, wala na akong time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, brush my teeth. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, eat lunch, and I will see you later, guys. Yeah. Hello, guys. So, I'm back. I'm about to leave in a minute. So, guys, i-end ko lang tong video na to ngayong araw na to. So, ipakita ko lang, guys, sa inyo nang mabilisan yung I have fake teeth on. So, nakita nyo, guys, earlier for my vlog excuse me, na bungi ako dito sa size na to. So I already have put on my fake teeth o postizo sa tawag sa atin sa Pilipinas. Yan guys, hindi na siya bungi. So, yan. Ayan. So, hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo. Kaya sa buong bibig ko. But anyways, I'm just gonna end this video, guys, because I'm gonna go ahead to work and I will see you tomorrow for another vlog. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. Yay! Tapos na yung weekend. Yung mata ko. Ano ba yung tsura ng mata ko? Kagigising ko lang, guys. So, it is 10:45 in the morning already. Close to almost 11 o'clock. So, I just woke up and I'm decided before I'm gonna jump to the shower, I'm gonna make coffee and drink coffee first before I'm going to take shower. So, let's go, guys. Baba tayo and gawa tayo ng coffee. Anyways, coffee is made already. I'm just gonna make coffee for me. You know what I mean? Coffee is made already. So, magtitimpla lang ako ng kape para uminom ako ng kape bago ako maligo. Tara, baba tayo, guys. Hello everyone, so i-end ko lang yung video ngayong ito. So this is gonna be a quick video because I'm about to leave, going to work. They're getting rid all the winter stuff, so they're mark it down for clearance. So ipakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, kasi this keep me warm for the rest of the day. So sinusuot ko lang siya, tapos pinapatong ko siya sa jacket. So ngayon suot ko yung isang isang pair ng thermal underwear, top and then the bottom. So ito siya, guys. So cute, extra small yung size niya. So bumili ako nito. Itong isa is small, ang ganda ng $7 na lang siya, guys. Yan yung itsura niya. Ang ganda ng niya, ng material niya. Sobrang warm. So, bumili ako nito ng partner, top and then bottom. $7. Yung top niya nasa madumi, sinod ko kasi kahapon. So, nasa laundry siya ngayon. Ito yung top niya. Yan. Tapos, ito naman yung extra small. Iba to yung Fruit of the Loom. Extra small yung binili ko. $5 siya. Yan. Ito na siya, guys. Suot ko siya ngayon. Pinapatong ko lang sa ilalim ng jacket ko. It keep me warm for the rest of the day. Tapos, ito naman, white. Bumili ako ng black, gray, and white. Extra small din siya. $5 na lang siya. Tapos, ito, yan. Yan yung top. Tapos, ito yung partner niya. Underwear, same, extra small. Extra small siya, guys. $5. And ito yung underwear. Tapos ito yung partner nito, guys. Same, extra small. $5 din siya. Yan. Yung partner nitong ko. Hindi ko pa siya sinuot kasi madumi pa eh. So, bumili ako ng black, white and gray na top and then the bottom. So yeah, I like it because it keep me warm. This material is really warm. So pinapatong ko lang siya sa jacket ko. Tapos ready na ako sa work. Pinapatong ko lang siya dito guys sa jacket ko. Yan lang yung suot ko. Ito lang. Kasi minsan sa loob ng store malamig. So, ganyan lang guys. Pinapatong ko lang siya. And then, warm na siya. Yan. Ganyan lang guys. So that it's what time is it? I'm ready to go to work. So I'm gonna end this video guys, and thank you so much for watching. And sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please subscribe, and also click na rin po yung notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga kalukuhan ni Christine. But anyways, that's it guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.